I just thought I'd show you guys a quick video. We have a storm just to the north of us over that way. And we see where it's dark over here. That one's coming straight north. This one over here is coming straight to the east. When those two meet up, hate to see what's gonna happen, but kind of see right here just how quick this stuff is moving. We're under a severe thunderstorm warning. Hill City over here, which is about 40 miles to the west, recorded a little over 80-mile-per-hour winds. Pretty neat stuff. I just hear little thunder rumblings. I don't hear nothing too severe. Starting to come down pretty good. I got a little monkey face or something going on right there. It don't look like nothing when you look at it, but that looks pretty cool in the video. Going down pretty good rain. I'm right here in the shadow. I'm at the windward side. I'm not really getting rain on. I'm sure it'll hit here pretty quick. So whatever this is going, and this is just kind of stalled right up here. Huh. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I didn't hardly hear any lightning. That's really, really low, fast moving clouds over here. Alright, well I thought I'm getting a little wet now. I thought I'd just show you guys a little storm that's rolling through. Pretty cool. Alright, I'm going in.